Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Marble Rivals game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Rivals game on your device. And once you open it up, proceed forward with logging in and you will be taken into the main menu. From here, in order to add any friend, just click on the friends icon at the top right corner and this will now take you into the friends menu. From here, you can just use the search box in order to search for any player. Just type in the name of the player that you wish to add and then start your search. Once you find this player, you can simply tap on the add friend button alongside and this will now send a friend request to this user right away. Now, once this person checks within their friend request section and accepts your request, you will then become friends with this person and now their profile will appear within your contact section. After this, you can start playing with each other together on the Marble Rivals game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends within the Marble Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.